Imagine a storm raging around you, insults flying, tempers flaring, chaos threatening to pull you under. Yet there you stand, a lighthouse. Your Stoicism mindset a steady beam cutting through the tumult, guiding you to calm. No one's words or actions can dim your light, not because you're numb, but because you're free. This is the promise of the Stoicism mindset, forged by Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus to weather life's tempests. The Stoicism mindset doesn't suppress anger or sidestep pain. It empowers you to master your emotions, whether facing a sharp jab or a quiet irritation. Today, we'll explore why reactivity dims your peace, how the Stoicism mindset restores mental health, motivation, and productivity, and what Stoic tools can make you unshakable. With inspiring Stoic wisdom and stories of modern resilience, you'll chart a path to self-improvement. Ready to let the world rage while your Stoicism mindset shines serene? Let's begin this journey to Stoic calm. Every time you let anger or frustration flare, you let the storm steer your ship. A stranger's rudeness, a colleague's critique, or a friend's slight can spark a fire, clouding your mind and stealing your day. Stoic philosophy, the foundation of the Stoicism mindset, reveals this as a loss of freedom. Psychology studies show anger raises cortisol, fogging cognition and straining mental health. Over time, reactivity frays relationships, fuels anxiety, and dims your inner light. The Stoicism mindset offers a beacon, teaching that no one can disturb you without your consent. Meet Lena, a 29-year-old retail manager from Chicago. Lena once bristled at demanding customers, their complaints haunting her nights. "I felt like their words owned me," she says. Discovering Stoicism for beginners, she embraced the Stoicism mindset, learning to stay steady and reclaim her peace. Her story illuminates the Stoicism mindset for anyone seeking emotional calm. At its core, the Stoicism mindset hinges on Stoic philosophy. You command your mind, not the chaos around you. Marcus Aurelius, navigating Rome's turmoil, wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." When provocation strikes, be it a cutting remark or a minor annoyance, the Stoicism mindset shows reacting is a choice. By giving into anger, you let others shape your state. Stoicism lessons frame every trigger as a chance to practice mindfulness and grow. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." The sting lies not in the words, but in your interpretation. Consider Arjun, a 35-year-old startup founder from Mumbai. Arjun once clashed with investors over feedback, letting their doubts fuel his frustration. The Stoicism mindset shifted his lens, letting him respond with focus. "I stopped letting their words anchor me," he says. The Stoicism mindset offers everyone a path to productivity and mental health. How do you forge this Stoicism mindset? To stand unshaken? Stoic philosophy provides 5 principles paired with Stoic practices to build emotional resilience. First, reframe provocations. The Stoicism mindset teaches that insults mirror the speaker's struggles, not your value. Epictetus said, "Another person will not hurt you without your cooperation." When someone snaps, pause and think, "This reflects them, not me." Picture their words as waves crashing against your lighthouse, felt but unfelt. Next time you're triggered, breathe deeply and say silently, "This is their storm, not mine." Journal nightly to cement this Stoicism exercise, fostering mindfulness that keeps you calm. The Stoicism mindset also centers on controlling your response. Stoic philosophy reminds you that others' actions are beyond your grasp, but your thoughts are yours. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. A reckless driver doesn't justify your anger, it only dims your peace." Ask, how can I respond with grace? Perhaps it's silence, a kind nod, or stepping away. This choice is your Stoicism mindset at work. Meet Sophia, a 40-year-old professor from Madrid. Sophia faced combative students who tested her patience. With the Stoicism mindset, she began responding with quiet confidence, calming tensions. "My steadiness changed the room," she says. Her Stoicism mindset boosted productivity and harmony, proving Stoic wisdom's power. Negative visualization strengthens the Stoicism mindset. Stoic philosophy's premeditatio malorum prepares you for storms. Each morning, spend 30 seconds imagining triggers, a sharp email, a tense meeting, or a small slight. Tell yourself, I'll face these, but they won't dim my light. This Stoicism exercise builds resilience, easing anxiety when challenges arise. Picture a scenario where someone provokes you, seeing yourself respond with calm. This Stoicism daily practice fortifies your mind. Take Malik, a 26-year-old graphic designer from Mau, Toronto. Malik let client critiques spark irritation, clouding his work. The Stoicism mindset's visualization helped him stay composed. I feel anchored now, he says. His Stoicism mindset enhanced his mental health and creativity. The Stoicism mindset harnesses calm response as strength. Stoicism lessons teach that indifference is mastery, not weakness. Seneca said, "The greatest remedy for anger is delay." When someone baits you, resist reacting. A slight smile, neutral nod, or silence disarms their storm. Your calm anchors you, leaving them adrift. Meet Lena, a 37-year-old nurse from Sydney. Lena faced stressed patients whose demands sparked frustration. The Stoicism mindset taught her to respond with quiet strength. They calmed when I stayed steady, she says. Her Stoicism mindset deepened relationships and productivity, embodying Stoic calm. Practice this. When provoked, pause and smile faintly, letting their words fade. This Stoicism exercise builds unshakable peace. Daily discipline completes the Stoicism mindset. Stoic philosophy thrives on consistent habits. Journal nightly, noting triggers and responses. Meditate 5 minutes daily to sharpen mindfulness. Ask, did I live with purpose today? These Stoicism exercises train your mind to shine steady. Start a Stoicism daily journal. Write one moment of calm and one area to improve, adding a Stoic quote like Epictetus's, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Consider Javier, a 31-year-old lawyer from Mexico City. Javier let courtroom debates fuel anger, harming his focus. The Stoicism mindset's journaling and meditation kept him grounded, earning respect. His Stoicism mindset proves discipline drives self-improvement. Embracing the Stoicism mindset transforms you. Physically, lower cortisol from reduced anger, improves sleep and mental health per psychology research. Mentally, clarity replaces chaos, fueling motivation. Emotionally, you'll find serenity, strengthening relationships with patience. Spiritually, you'll align with purpose, living Seneca's words. As is a tale, so is life. Not how long it is, but how good it is. The Stoicism mindset lets you wake unshaken, your focus sharp, your heart steady. Imagine a life where provocations, big or small, pass like clouds, your Stoicism mindset a lighthouse guiding you home. Take Maya, a 33-year-old writer from Nairobi. Maya's temper flared at online trolls, stalling her work. The Stoicism mindset's visualization and calm responses freed her creativity. I write with peace now, she says, her essays inspiring thousands. Or meet Liam, a 28-year-old student from Dublin. Liam let family disputes disrupt his studies. The Stoicism mindset's reframing and journaling lifted his grades and mental health. His Stoicism mindset shows Stoic philosophy shaping futures. Your story awaits with the Stoicism mindset. Ready to anchor your Stoicism mindset? These 6 Stoicism exercises, crafted for all, sharpen mental health, mindfulness, and productivity. First, serenity breath. Take 5 slow breaths when provoked, exhaling tension. This Stoicism exercise calms your mind, easing anxiety. Second, virtue check. Write one virtue, courage, wisdom, temperance, to embody daily. Review it nightly. This Stoicism daily ritual drives self-improvement. Third, trigger shift. Name rising anger silently and ask, what's in my control? This Stoicism practice fosters calm, boosting motivation. Fourth, calm anchor. Picture a serene place, a lake or mountain, for 10 seconds when triggered. This Stoicism exercise grounds your Stoicism mindset. Fifth, gratitude lens. Write 3 things you're grateful for nightly, reframing one challenge as growth. This aligns with Stoic resilience. Sixth, purpose pulse. List 1 weekly action toward a goal, like teaching or creating. This Stoicism practice fuels productivity. This is your moment to choose with the Stoicism mindset. Will the world storm sway you, or will you stand as A's lighthouse, steady in Stoic philosophy? Your challenge: for 14 days, meet every provocation with a pause and a smile. Journal. Your journey, noting your Stoicism mindset's growth. Share with a friend or community. Picture yourself in 2 weeks. Serene, confident, free. Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." The Stoicism mindset is your beacon to mental health, motivation, and relationships. It's Stoicism for all, a light through any storm. The Stoicism mindset is a revolution, turning chaos into calm, reactivity into resilience. From Lena's reclaimed peace to Arjun's focus, Sophia's harmony to Malik's creativity, Elena's strength to Javier's respect, Maya's clarity to Liam's triumph, the Stoicism mindset transforms lives. Now it's your turn. Start small, practice Stoicism daily, draw strength from Stoic wisdom, and let your Stoicism mindset shine. Whether new to Stoicism or deepening your practice, calm is freedom. Seneca said, "You must change your life, not just your habits." The world storms, but your Stoicism mindset stands firm. Step into your light today. Subscribe to fuel your Stoicism mindset with weekly wisdom. Comment with your 14-day Reader Stoic Calm Challenge. Progress: what provocation did you conquer? Let's light the way together.